Insert the pneumatic and aviation sockets on the machine end. Be sure to tighten the aviation plug-in clockwise when installing it. Plug in the power and connect the other side of the pneumatic hose to the air supply. Install the monitor onto the screen mount with the screws provided using a Phillips screwdriver. Ensure that the monitor is securely fastened to the mount and that the mount operates smoothly without obstruction. Connect the serial port, power, and network port in order, following the video. Connect the Internet cable to the gateway. Turn on the laser presetter and wait for the system to wake up. Everything is set. Give it a try, and thank you for watching this video.